Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution.
Also make sure you turn off the dishwasher's water supply underneath the sink.
In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Maytag Dishwasher Upper Dishrack. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new Upper Dishrack. The upper dish rack is mounted on the rails in the top half of the dishwasher. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's rusted and the dishes are falling through it. To get the upper rack out, we have to open up the door, and then we have to pull these rails out a little bit so we can get to these end caps. On this particular style end cap, there's two arrows and a little thumb notch. And all you have to do is press on that, and then you can pull it out. And we can do that on the other side too. Now that we have the end caps off, we can take the upper dish rack out and set it on the counter. Here's the old upper dish rack next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. We do have to switch over this shelf and this little handle onto the new one before we can put it back in. All right, to get this shelf off, we just have to flex it a little bit so it comes off the pin on each end. And once you have it off, we can put it onto the new rack. Our rack is pretty rusty, so if yours looks like this, you may consider changing it. If it's rusted only a little bit, you can always put some rack repair material on it, and it should last for a little bit longer. To put it on the new rack, we're just going to line it up and put it onto the pins like we did the old one. And all you have to do is flex it so you can get this other end onto the other pin. To get this front piece off, all you have to do is pull on this retaining clip right here. Once you have it over, then you can unsnap it from the top and then pull it off. When you put this on the new rack, you're going to put it on this first post right next to this short peg. So we're first going to put the lower half on, rotate it up, and snap the upper half on, and then push it over this way to get that tab on there. Now we can put the upper dish rack back in. All we have to do is line up the wheels and the rails and push it back into place so we can put the end caps on. To put the end caps in, all we have to do is line up this half with the rail and push it in, and then we can rotate it over and lock it in place. Now that we have the end caps in, we can push the upper dish rack back in and close the dishwasher door. Now that you're done repairing the appliance, you can plug it back in, turn the water back on, and give it a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.